guys, I'm Nikki Sizemore. Welcome to my kitchen and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a healthy strawberry smoothie that is packed with protein, but that tastes like a milkshake. What should I tell people about this smoothie? It tastes good. There's somebody that wants to join us today. We have a special guest. This is my youngest daughter, Junie. She's gonna help us make this smoothie. Okay, so what's the secret ingredient in this smoothie? Do you know this? Cottage cheese. I know it might sound crazy, but cottage cheese gives this healthy smoothie tons of creaminess and richness and protein. Ditch those chalky protein powders. You don't need them. My kids think this smoothie is a milkshake. Today I'm using Hood cottage cheese with strawberry since we are making a strawberry smoothie, but you can use a plain country style cottage cheese instead. You guys this is going to revolutionize your smoothie game. I can't wait to show you the recipe, so let's head to the kitchen. Thank you to Hood cottage cheese for partnering with me on this video and making it possible. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below so you don't miss out on any of my healthy, family-friendly, and naturally gluten-free recipes. This smoothie couldn't be easier, and I have my sous chef who's going to help me today. The first thing we're going to do is pour some milk. Her expression gets me every time. Into a blender. You can use any milk you drink. Next, we have frozen strawberries. We're also going to add half of a banana. This is going to give the smoothie a little bit more sweetness and a little bit more creaminess. Next, we have a half teaspoon of vanilla extract just for a little bit more flavor. And then this Hood cottage cheese with strawberry. We love this cottage cheese. In fact, it's one of Junie's favorite snacks on its own. And it's perfect in this smoothie because it's gonna give us more strawberry flavor and we don't have to add any additional sweetener. However, you can totally use a plain cottage cheese instead. You can just sweeten the smoothie to taste using honey or even strawberry jam. Let's pop the lid on and blend it up. You want to blend on high until the smoothie is thick and creamy. All right, it is time to serve. And this is when Junie gets really excited. Now you can serve this smoothie just as it is. It is a healthy snack or a breakfast. It's a perfect post-workout drink. But if you want to take it over the top, like we do, I like to dollop it with some unsweetened whipped cream and then crumble some freeze-dried strawberries over top. This is really going to make you feel like you are drinking an indulgent milkshake when in fact it is a healthy smoothie. My kids think that this cottage cheese smoothie is a major treat, and I know it is a protein-packed snack that I am happy to whip up. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We hope you like this cottage cheese smoothie as much as we do. Thanks again to Hood for partnering with us on this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, and I will see you next time. Mwah.